Hello guys, welcome to IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit Ghosh back once again today on IWM Buzz channel for another interesting live session. And the guest who is going to be joining me here today right now, you all know her, you all have seen her work, and you all love her. I'm talking about none other than Shrenu Parekh, guys. So first of all, show me the excitement. Fatapat comments dalo. And I want to say a big hello to everyone out here who is joining me. All the Shrenu Parekh fan clubs, all the Shrenu Parekh fan pages out here. Thank you so much for joining, because this is the only platform which we can bring to you right now at this lockdown. And nothing without your support goes into play. So I'll wait for Shrenu till the time she's connecting with me. But thank you so much, guys, to everybody, and a big hello to everyone for joining out here on these live sessions. And let me first wait for a few people to join in, and I'll wait for all the Shrenu Parekh fan clubs. So that's a lot of excitement going in out there, and it looks lovely. So I think I have Shrenu's request. Do I have Shrenu's request? No, I don't. Yeah, just a matter of seconds, guys, and Shrenu's going to be joining me. So come on, 1, 2, 3. Is she here? 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 Yeah, she's here. She's here. Finally.
Hi. Hi.
How are you?
I'm
You're glowing.
good. Thank you. No, I applied makeup after a long time. Just specially because I was supposed to come live with you
How
guys.
how nice is that? How sweet is that? But I think all your fans will be telling you the same thing as well कि आप बस आ जाओ, आपको मेकअप लगाने की कोई जरूरत है नहीं, आप बस आ जाओ, उनको बस
हाँ
देखना है
यार,
सोनू पारी। You want
नहीं
to just see how
बहुत बोरिंग हो गया था इतने टाइम से। था लाइक चलो आज कुछ कर लेते हैं
yeah,
तो लाइव के बाद 2-3 वीडियोस भी बना लेंगे कुछ ना कुछ कर ही
yeah, of
लेंगे,
course.
so that's why.
एक ही दिन में मेकअप लगाए हूँ तो I'll do it, use it for multiple purposes. So I think
Totally. So it's so
time,
bad that I miss
yeah,
applying makeup. The thing is
yeah.
that अब तो इतना मतलब without makeup रह चुके हैं कि अब मुझे मन करता है मैं घर पे बैठ के मेकअप करूँ.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, it's all about living the life for yourself. So you can definitely do your makeup whenever you just feel to it, irrespective of whether somebody's watching you or not. It's all about living that life for yourself, right?
I
So I think
agree. I
it's
agree.
yeah. So I think a lot of people are taking that inspiration. Tell me first of all something. We obviously knew the fact that you're this lovely actress out there. She's very pretty. She's really gorgeous. But I think a quarantine ke time pe, a lot of people are realizing the sense of humor inside you as well. With those funny captions and all that you're putting in and everything,
This
everything.
something like this.
Yes, I have done so many lives, but एक भी live में ऐसा नहीं हुआ. So she's guys. मैंने बस sense of humor का बात किया. देखो, look at this spontaneity. She's with all these faces and expressions. So
Yeah.
cap दिख रहा है, भर भर के दिख रहा है वो आपका जो sense of humor है. I'm particularly referring to that post which I saw. I think it was you were lying down on your garden and you were like
Hmm.
something. I ordered this bed online or something like that. It was something really.
Yeah. It's exactly the same garden, and I was missing it. I was stuck for the longest time in
Yeah,
Mumbai, and
yeah,
I was missing my garden. I was missing the swing जहाँ बैठ के अभी मैं लाइव कर रही हूँ, वहां पे मेरे
yeah,
छोटे से अपार्टमेंट में मुझे लाइव करना
yeah.
पड़ता था, जहाँ पे
See,
नेटवर्क तक नहीं आता था. So I really missed this air and everything. So yeah, that was my post. Yeah, it was funny. Yeah.
I think it's wonderful. It's wonderful. At the end of the day, it's a difficult time of lockdown, so we all want to live in our happiest space possible. So I think nothing better than that. But I think you had this travel history, and which is why you had to be quarantined as well. I think you were quarantined for 24 days or
Twice.
something. If I'm not-
मैं कब से क्वारंटाइन ही खेल रही हूँ. It's not even funny anymore. It's not even funny
Yeah,
anymore. So in March I came back
yeah,
from the States and I
yeah,
landed in Mumbai and I was quarantined for
yeah,
14 days. तो फिर
yeah,
वहां तो क्वारंटाइन शुरू हो गया था, उसके बाद लॉकडाउन हो गया. So I was stuck there for the longest time. After that, we were waiting कि कब legit interstate borders खुला हो और उसके
yeah,
बाद हम apply करें और निकले. We applied several times, it got rejected, and finally फिर approve हुआ
yeah,
because I was very consistent in applying.
yeah,
So finally, and of course, थोड़ा सा third lockdown के बाद it got a little relaxed. So they allowed
yeah,
me, and I'm finally home.
yeah,
अब यहाँ आने के बाद भी
yeah.
मुझे फिर से 14 दिन के लिए क्वारंटीन कर
Yeah,
दिया.
yeah.
So
It's,
yes,
it's,
I've been only playing quarantine. मतलब देश अलग लॉकडाउन कर रहा है, श्रीनु पारेख का
yeah.
अलग लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, रैंडम.
Yeah, but I think it's at the end of the day, I mean, anything and everything that keeps you safe from this, pandemic, I think all your lovers and admirers will be wishing that as well. There was
I
someone who asked
agree.
I must point it out, and it's important. Someone who asked me right now, ki Shrenuti, how's your family right now during this lockdown? We want to keep our families safe, right? So how is
Yeah.
your family doing? Your lovers want to know that.
They are fine, touch wood, and of course they both are into essential services, तो दोनों काम पे भी जाते हैं.
Yeah, yeah.
And even my brother works from home, so I'm the only one who's jobless right now. And I'm the only one who's getting bored and who's enjoying the
Yeah,
lockdown just
yeah,
by cooking and wasting their time.
yeah.
Otherwise, yeah, just yeah. So they're
But I
fine,
think
they're healthy, touch wood.
shout out, a huge shout out to your parents, because at a time like this, at a crucial juncture like this, when we are
Yeah.
all safe at our own houses, these essential workers, the frontliners who are going out there and serving the nation. I think they deserve a huge shout out. I think a huge shout out goes to your parents over here as well.
Thank you so much. I will
And
convey this to them.
please do. They deserve all the attention and love that they are getting. But tell me something. You mentioned right now, and आपने खुद बोला मुझे अभी कि you're not doing anything. Work-wise आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे. So you're experimenting a lot with cooking, right? So you're spending a lot of
Yeah,
time in cooking. So
yeah.
हर एक इंसान को दिल के अंदर एक थोड़ा वो जो एक फूडी रहता है ना, वो हर एक इंसान के अंदर छुपा हुआ रहता है. And अभी जब कुछ काम करने को रहता नहीं है ज्यादा, तो वो फूडी ज्यादा निकल के आता है. So
देखो ये
what?
मोटापा दिख रहा है ना, ये इसी
It's
का
not.
है. ये फूड का
Come
ही
on.
नतीजा है.
It's not visible at all. That is probably your feeling, but it's not visible at all. But what is the stuff that you're cooking at home? You must be experimenting a lot with the food items you're making. And tell me about that one food item which you made, and you were really surprised कि यार कितना अच्छा बन गया, ये मैंने बनाया है. ऐसा ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कभी?
यार ऐसा तो खुद की तारीफ कर रही हूँ मैं, बहुत सारी चीजें बनी है एंड एवरी टाइम आई मेड समथिंग नाइस आई हैव पोस्टेड ऑन माय इंस्टा. सो यस देयर आर लॉट ऑफ डिशेस. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर मैंने कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा बनाया था. रिसेंटली मैंने अभी नवरत्न कोरमा बनाया था. आई मेक वेरी गुड शाही पनीर. So
Oh
these
my.
two things, I'm trying to learn Indian stuff only because it's easy to understand the masalas you've been eating all through your life, right? So after that, I will jump onto the other cuisines. So abhi I'm trying to nail all the Indian dishes.
Yeah. But what is your favorite खाना? I mean, जो खाना ऐसा हो जो कि आप देखने से कभी अपने आप को resist नहीं कर पाती हो.
South
That one
Indian.
food item.
साउथ इंडियन फूड सुबह शाम रात कभी भी 15 दिन एक साथ एट अ स्ट्रेच दे दो. आई
हाँ.
आई विल बी हैप्पीली ईटिंग इट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स गोलगप्पे. यहाँ आके
Yeah.
मेरी मम्मी ने स्पेशली मेरे लिए घर पे होममेड पानी पूरी बनाई थी, जो कि ज्यादा
Wow.
अच्छी बेचारी से फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में नहीं बनी, बट शी केप्ट
Yeah.
ट्राइंग एंड देन फाइनली
Yeah.
शी कुड मेक इट. एंड यस
Yeah.
मेरे लिए स्पेशली पानी पूरी बनी थी घर पे.
Yeah. At the end of the day, she was making it for you. She was making it with a lot of heart. तो कभी ना कभी तो
Totally.
successful बनना ही था वो. First attempt में नहीं हो तो भी. So I think it had to be good. But
Yeah.
I mean you told me about the lockdown. कि आपका अलग से lockdown चल रहा है. You have been facing so many lockdowns and all.
Yeah.
It's good enough. Well, because the nature is healing itself. There are a lot of good
Yeah.
things happening. Also, very very little good things, I would say, because the year is. I mean, a lot of people are treating this year as a curse.
Oh, it's a
Because
disaster. I wish it
yeah,
never happened. I wish we
absolutely,
could just,
absolutely.
wake up one day and पता चले कि सपना था और सब एक साथ ड्रीम कर रहे थे. And we can
Correct.
just, kind of undo the whole year. Oh my God, we're only
Yeah.
halfway through.
Exactly, and you just imagine. I mean, we used to earlier share memes. मैं पहले देखता था. We used to share memes. Like summer used to be very hot. भगवान जैसा कभी summer skip हो जाए. This year we actually
Hmm.
skipped summer.
क्या हो गया भाई? अचानक से
Some
क्या हो गया
network glitch in
नेटवर्क
the
को?
middle. Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's fine right now. I'm
Yeah.
saying is that हम लोग used to share memes like summer skip हो जाए ऐसे हो जाए, but we never thought कि ऐसे skip होगा. We used to also share like we are so tired, we are so worked up. God, I hope God gives us a break. So this
I
break
know.
ended up being something really long. So when you
No, I
actually were
think
facing,
I
I'm
really
pretty
think
sure
that
you were.
God has himself taken a break right now. It's like, अरे यार, let me just calm down for a bit and
Yeah.
हमें आत्मनिर्भर छोड़ दिया है, तुम अपना देख लो.
Yeah,
It's
correct.
yeah,
And
yeah, we are in a situation जिस पे बहुत सारी फिल्में बन सकती है. We can actually
yeah,
write a lot of films right now because this is something unbelievable which is happening
yeah,
throughout the world. It's not just एक country के लिए, मतलब everyone is facing the
yeah.
same thing, a
We are part
life-threatening
of history. We
situation.
are part of history. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure you
Yeah.
realize that. We're part of history, and I think it's. I mean, it's weird, and at the same time, it's. I mean, I don't know what the feeling is. It's very difficult to describe, and emote. But I must ask you this thing that the lockdown, in some way or the other, you know, has taught every individual something or the other. Probably which they
Yeah.
never knew about themselves. It has taught me
Yeah.
something or the other. I'm pretty sure it must have taught you something about or the other as well about yourself. What is
A
that
lot
one
of
thing that you
things.
yourself in this lockdown which you had no idea about, Pelle?
I uh, I have learned a lot, especially to be responsible and how
Yeah,
to take care of a house and
yeah,
make it a home. That's what, I मतलब मैंने मेरे घर को कभी इतने ध्यान से देखा नहीं था जितना मैंने इस लॉकडाउन में देखा है. And I'm talking about my Mumbai initial 1.5 months that I was alone and I was all by
yeah,
myself and I was
yeah,
uh, करो खुद अपना जो भी है.
yeah.
And और बाई की वैल्यू बाई की वैल्यू मुझे समझ आई है लॉकडाउन में कि
Yeah,
मतलब having maids is a luxury. It's funny how I go to America and I realize that सब अपने आप ही काम करते हैं. इमेजिन अगर इंडिया में ऐसा हो तो काश मैंने नहीं सोचा होता. ऐसा एक्चुअली हुआ है और सबके साथ हुआ है. एंड
yeah,
एवरीबडी इज वर्किंग, घर संभाल रहे हैं एंड
yeah,
खाना पका रहे हैं. थिंग्स दैट यू नेवर थॉट दैट यू विल डू एवर हो रहा है.
yeah,
So you start valuing small little things, your household chores and everything that you've
yeah,
started taking care of. So all of that I've learned and basic things यार, जैसे पानी आना घर में, इतनी वैल्यू होती है इस चीज की. घर में बिजली
yeah,
चली जाती है, we don't even realize because we're working, right? घर पे
yeah.
होते हो तो हमें समझ आता है कि oh shit, इससे
Correct.
ये भी हो सकता है, इससे ये भी हो सकता है. Water is so important. I think I have learned how to conserve water also after तीन
Yeah,
चार दिन मेरी फ्लैट में पानी नहीं आ रहा था.
yeah.
So yes, all these things. Oh God, I'm sounding like one
And
soul.
Bombay has, I'm not sure which flat you're talking about, but Bombay has this history of water issues. So I
Yeah.
think यहाँ पे रहता ही, and even my
No,
society is also.
actually, usually it doesn't happen. But the thing is कि जो
Yeah,
society का pump होता है वो ही बिगड़ गया था.
yeah,
And during the lockdown, people couldn't come.
yeah, yeah,
So
exactly.
that's
So
what you value, like plumbers की value पता चलती है यार. मतलब जो
correct,
बेचारे
correct, absolutely,
technicians, mechanics, ये चीजें होती है ये पता
absolutely,
होता है. When I was supposed to
absolutely.
leave for Baroda at that day, मैं गई डीजल भराने. After 1.5 months, I stepped out of the house on the road for the
Yeah,
first time. And पंचर था गाड़ी में, पता ही नहीं था. So there was no mechanic available. और कितना ढूंढ ढूंढ के फिर वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुई. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आई स्टार्टेड वैल्यूइंग दैट यूजुअली किसको फर्क पड़ी होती है. हर
exactly,
500 मीटर्स पे एक मैकेनिक होता है, हर 500 मीटर्स पे एक पेट्रोल पंप आ जाता है. सो
correct.
ऑल दीज थिंग्स या
I think it's a very valid and it's a very pertinent point because it's the smallest things in life which we have started valuing a lot more, and I think it's a common learning for all of us.
या
But I mean, you can't really do it. It's a God-made situation. I mean, really can't control it, right? And till the time the vaccine or anything like that comes, you can't really do anything about it. So as of
या
now, we got to accept it as the temporary normal. I mean, this has to be the normal right now. But obviously,
Yeah,
we are
I
missing.
mean, this is one thing that we need to realize. We're never going back to what we were pehle. It's
Exactly.
not going to
It is going
happen.
to take a lot of time. It's going to take a lot of time. So
Yeah,
the most difficult part is that we cannot even predict or understand कि कितना time लगेगा, which is why we got to accept
exactly.
it as normal. But the regular normal life जो है हम लोग का, जो कि सब कुछ available है and everything, to some extent or the other, everybody is missing something or the other a lot. I mean, everybody is missing everything about that life, but that one thing from that normal life which you're missing the most right now.
Yeah. Oh, my work, I guess.
Yeah,
Going
I
to
think
the
it's
set, that's what
yeah,
my soul misses the most
yeah,
because I feel lost at times कि मतलब कब normal
yeah,
होगा, कब मैं काम पे जाऊंगी,
yeah,
when my 9 to 9 shifts will start. And I
yeah,
will, next time when I start working, I'm never going to pray that I want to sit at home and just relax because I've done that enough in my life right now. I think
yeah,
everyone has done it. And of course, having said that, you
yeah,
really need to go out of your house because then meet people. You feel so lonely otherwise, which is why people these days are addressing mental health a lot. Because आप
exactly.
कितना Netflix देख लोगे, आप कितना कुक कर लोगे, आप क्या करोगे. So in my previous life, I was taking ideas from all my fans about what should I
Yeah,
do next. So they
yeah.
came up with a lot of ideas. So now I've started learning a language. अभी नहीं बताऊंगी क्योंकि मैं खुद का
That's
पोपट नहीं करना चाहती. The moment I
okay.
start, getting fluent with it, I'll
Yeah.
probably let you all know about it. So yeah, I
I think it
started
will be
doing
lovely.
this.
And I think it's going to be lovely, and I'm pretty sure we all, once the lockdown actually gets over and everything is all hunky dory and positive, we all will be a different human being altogether when we come once we come out. And I hope it's a better version of what we were earlier. I
I
have few
hope so.
questions for you, basically. Uske pehle, I got to ask these two questions from two fans. I mean, there were too many questions from fans which we obviously couldn't take. So I have just two which I must ask you. The fact is that
Okay.
you have been working with Kunal for 3 years, right? So there's
Hmm.
this one fan who wants to know ki in this entire process or in this entire work tenure, is there anything that he has learned from you or anything that you have learned from him, which is something that really stands out?
I can tell you what I have learned from him. अब उसको
Yeah,
आप उसके लाइफ में पूछना कि उसने मुझसे क्या सीखा है, क्योंकि वो
yeah.
मेरी तारीफ कम ही करता है, तो
Ah,
आप उसे नेक्स्ट लाइफ में पूछ लेना. But
yeah,
from him, what I have learned is how to stay cool in like the weirdest times. He never loses his
yeah,
calm. Otherwise,
yeah,
उसको
yeah,
बहुत तंग करना पड़ता है तब जाके he loses his calm. And I think the kind of love he has for Bharti, uh, I mean, his wife, his now
yeah.
wife,
Of course.
was his girlfriend at that time, and
Yeah,
that was very, very,
I used to love them
uh,
in Buddy Project. That was one show that
yeah,
I.
yeah, and he was so young at that time, and he has
Exactly.
come a long way. And I think he has not let that go to his head, and he's not had that success ka fitur uske sar pe. So I think that is, these are the few things that I've learned, that he's very
Yeah,
compassionate, very lovable, and also, deeply, believes in forever sort of a love.
yeah.
And yes, very dedicated and very, very cool, calm person.
I think a lot of good qualities to learn from, and I'm pretty sure everybody's taking note of that. This is another question where somebody asks, it's a hypothetical question. So basically, the situation is that, if the Oberoi brothers, the three Oberoi brothers, if you were given an opportunity to be a fangirl of one of them,
Okay.
whom would you
Oh,
pick and why? That is the question.
ओ माय गॉड यार, मैं ऐसे अपने अपने ही सिचुएशन में से स्टेप आउट करके कैसे कर सकती हूँ पिक. But yes, of course, I would have been Omkara's fan only, and
Yeah,
I can't pick. Yeah, all three brothers are so different, and that's what I loved about Ishbaz. Even when I
yeah,
wasn't a part of it, like three
yeah,
brothers, never such kind of bond or never such a story was shown, that they all belong to
yeah.
different natures and they have
Correct.
different personalities. Like Shiva is the epitome of brotherhood, and then how the other two younger ones take care of Shivai. So
Yeah,
all of that, I can't pick and choose. यार ये इश्कबाज fans के लिए भी बहुत tricky question होगा. So I can't pick
yeah,
and choose. But then I have to be biased to my hero. That's why it has to be
yeah.
Kunal.
It's. I think it sums up the answer, and I'm pretty sure the fan has got her answer.
Yes.
So now I come to my questions, which I have the team has prepared. So basically, it's a few fun questions, and आपको फटाफट जवाब देने whatever hits your mind the first.
Okay.
So the
Okay.
first thing that I want to ask you is, out of the so many things that you have done in life so far, what is the most courageous thing that you have done ever?
Thought of leaving my hometown and taking a step towards acting. First thing,
Yeah.
moving to Mumbai where I had no one. So yeah.
And I think that is the perfect example of when you're actually going out of your comfort zone and trying to do something different. It does work for you. It does
Yeah.
work for you. I'm sure it does work for a lot of people as well.
Yeah.
That's a basic. So my next question to you is, we all have these days, right, when we're feeling low. We it's not everything is not normal, and we want to rejuvenate ourselves. So when you're having that low day, what do you do to rejuvenate yourself and re-energize yourself?
I have a lot of mood swings. So I either
Yeah,
call up a friend and abuse a lot and just
yeah,
vent it out, or else I
yeah.
just cover my face with a pillow and just shout. It just
Okay.
brings out the
That
frustration
that's
in me.
two that's two very
Yeah.
different and I think bipolar ways of handling it. But I think
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
wonderful. Whatever works
I
for
at
you.
times feel I am bipolar. I think it's more than that.
I think it's wonderful. It's wonderful. Whatever works for you. Whatever works for
Yeah,
an
exactly.
individual. Right?
Whatever works for anyone.
Yeah. Exactly. So the next thing is, what would be? Are you more of a tea person or a coffee person, or do you like
Tea.
both?
Tea. ये बेहुदा सवाल पूछ भी कैसे सकते हो? It's always tea. So when I go to
Okay.
America, it's always coffee,
Yeah.
but otherwise it's
Yeah.
tea. It's always tea.
So I think already have an answer to this. The question was, which would be more harder for you to which would be harder for you to give up, tea or coffee? That was the question. So I
I
think tea would
even
be
when
the
I
answer.
diet, चाय तो चाहिए मुझे 2 वक्त की चाय, proper sugar के साथ.
How nice, how nice. Okay, so ये काफी interesting सवाल है. This I would love to know कि you know, I mean, certain times we don't really want to, but then we get into trouble, because of certain attributes that we have as a human being. So, what is that one personality trait and attribute that gets you in trouble quite often?
I overthink a lot. So
That is,
when
I
I'm
think,
I'm overthinking, तो
yeah,
सामने वाला बंदा मीन नहीं भी करता, I just presume that he or she wants to say
yeah.
that, and that's what leading me always into trouble because of it, because of my assumptions. So that nature of me thinking too much and reading too much between the lines, I think that is something that leads me to trouble most of the times.
No, I'm really scared after this answer. I hope you have not read anything between the lines in my case, nor have
कहाँ,
you
मैंने
assumed
चश्मे
anything.
पहने नहीं है, मैंने चश्मे पहने नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ सुन रही हूँ अभी, तो फिलहाल तो सब सही
Okay,
चल
okay.
रहा है.
That's a respite to have then in that case. Okay. So the next question that I have for you is, Renu, कि if this one thing which we get for free a lot is advice. ठीक है, हर किसी को कहीं ना कहीं से advice जरूर मिलता है, बहुत आता है. लेकिन
हम्म.
some are really crap, some are really good, and
हम्म.
there's that one advice that changes a human being's perspective towards life. So what is
हम्म.
that one advice that changed your entire perspective towards life?
वही बेटा, सुनो सबकी, करो अपने मन की. एंड
अरे
आई डोंट
क्या बात.
रिमेम्बर किस महान इंसान ने ये बोला था मुझे, बट या प्रॉब्ली मैंने खुद ही सोच लिया होगा, ये तो सभी बोलते हैं.
तो आप
बट
हो वो महान इंसान.
मैं
तो
महान
you're
हूँ.
महान इंसान.
नहीं नहीं, मुझे किसी ने कहा था कि you listen
Yeah,
to everyone but you actually do what your heart says, and
yeah,
of course the other advice was never advise people, because
yeah.
until and unless they ask for it. So yeah.
I think it's very good. And the next question that I have for you is कि ये थोड़ा interesting है. You already have a lovely name. Shrenu is a lovely name. People love you for that name. But if given an opportunity, you get to pick a name for yourself. What name would you pick for yourself?
Not a chance. I'm never going to pick anything else. Matlab, I think I have the most unique name. And I thank my parents for not naming me. They were initially going to name me Dolly. And I was
Dolly.
like, Dolly.
Okay.
Because I used to look like a doll. So everyone in
हाँ,
the hospital said कि अरे ये तो बिल्कुल ढींगली, मतलब it's a Gujarati word. So they were like,
yeah,
अरे ये तो बिल्कुल ढींगली जैसे दिखती है. तो my mom is like,
yeah,
इसका नाम Dolly रखते हैं. Then eventually they were like, no, relax, calm down.
yeah,
And then they thought of this name. I don't know, it just randomly came to them because my mom and dad, their initials are from S and H, so they were like
yeah,
कुछ S और H से शुरू करते हैं, तो मेरा और मेरे भाई
yeah,
का नाम S और
yeah.
H से ही है.
I think
So yeah, it's a
it's
unique
lovely.
name and I would never trade it with any other name.
And आगे जाके अगर you get that opportunity to time travel, please go and thank your mom कि आपने डॉली नहीं रखा मेरा नाम, which is why I think everything is right.
एक सेकंड, ये this is for my fans who's asking where is शुभम भैया. कुछ है. अच्छा, sorry, he's getting disturbed. He's
Oh,
working out right now. Yeah.
okay,
इसे
okay.
इसे धीरे बोल, धीरे. हाँ, यही सब होता है. देखो, घर में कोई ज्यादा वैल्यू नहीं
Yeah.
करता मेरी.
But
Yeah.
what I'm asking you is कि obviously you said that so I hope that one day you get to time travel and thank your mom कि मम्मी thank you so much आपने डॉली नहीं रखा मेरा नाम, मैं बच गई.
वो तो मैं हमेशा कहती रहती हूँ उसको, थैंक गॉड ने
Yeah,
मेरा नाम डॉली नहीं
yeah.
रखा. Yeah.
Okay, so this is something we're talking about your parents, and now the next question is about your parents. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate your parents in terms of strictness? जब आप छोटी थी या फिर अभी भी you can rate. I mean, whatever be the situation.
0. They are like the most
How
lenient
sweet.
parents ever. Like, I probably they have a different parenting skill that I would
Yeah,
also want to imbibe in me.
yeah,
But वही the other day I was creating some mess in the kitchen, and she told me थोड़ा सा कि ये नहीं होगा तुझसे, और मुझे रोना आ गया. So then at that time I realized कि काश बचपन में खींच के एक चपेट लगाई होती, कभी डांट लगाई होती, कभी डांटा ही नहीं उन्होंने मुझे. That's why I
yeah,
just don't know how to take उनकी strictness, but probably we've been
yeah.
very good kids also. So yeah,
I
I
think
think it's likewise.
probably you have been a fantastic kid yourself, जिसकी वजह से कभी डांटना पड़ा नहीं, तो I think it could be
हम
another
दोनों ने
possible.
कभी डांट नहीं खाई है. We've never
Yeah.
yeah,
I think that's
since
a
birth.
revelation in itself. I think it's a revelation in itself, and it's very rare, compared to India, because काफी लोगों मैं सुनता हूँ when I talk to actors या फिर मेरे दोस्त लोग, चप्पलें flying, चप्पल flying this, flying that, like all sorts of things you hear. So I think it's really
Yeah,
wonderful.
yeah.
So the last question that I have for you is कि in your school life, ठीक है, we all love certain teachers for the way they behave, and we all dislike certain teachers for the way they behave with us. It might be because we don't like a certain subject, or it might be we don't like the certain teacher. I won't ask
Hmm.
you to name the teacher, but
Hmm.
any experience in school from a teacher which you felt like it could have been really avoidable.
I never had such a teacher in my school ever. I
Yeah.
was so blessed, and
How-
given a chance, I will any day go back to my school days because
yeah.
I think school is the place where I actually got this confidence of
Yeah.
getting into acting, and whatever it
Yeah.
is, I owe it to my school days. So
Yeah. It
there's no
groomed you as
such
a
teachers,
person.
but yeah, but in the college, of course, it was a very studious kind of a place because I was in a
Yeah.
pharmaceutical college, I was in a pharmacy college. So there
Yeah.
were a few professors who did not believe in all second career sort of a thing. But I was
Yeah.
very clear that I wanted to go into acting and all. And thankfully, with the grace of God, it had started off in my college itself. So I had a lot of professors who actually supported me, but there were a few who used to be, like, अरे यार क्यों टाइम पास कर रहे हो, तुमने सीट क्यों खराब की अगर तुम्हें यही पढ़ाई नहीं करनी
Yeah.
थी and all,
I know.
so yeah, so I used to rub my degrees in their face later on. So
I think that's fantastic, and कुछ देर पहले आपने कहा था मुझे कि करो सब सुनो सबकी करो खुद की. So I think that is something that you have implemented here in this case, which is why you followed your heart and you went on to become an actor who's loved by so many
yeah,
people. Thank you so much, Renu, for joining us over here on IWM Buzz. It's a pleasure talking to you, and
same
I hope you
here.
had a good time.
Yes,
Thank
I
you to
did.
everyone who has joined here, for this
Thank
conversation.
you
And
to all my fans. I hope आप
yeah,
लोगों के सारे interesting questions. Thankfully, it was a different session, yeah. But now, you usually get the same questions all the time. So
yeah,
you also picked good questions and
yeah. Well, it's a
phone at
pleasure.
me, asking
It's
me different sort of questions. So yes, you guys made me smile. Thank you so much,
thank
and
you.
I love you all, and I really enjoyed the session thoroughly.
Thank you so much. At the end of the day, when I'm hosting, if my guest is not smiling when I'm hosting him or her, then I have failed as a host. So I'm pretty glad that you have done that and you have enjoyed. So thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. And I wish to see you soon after the lockdown gets over. Stay safe, take care, and everything shall be fine. Thank you
You
so much.
too. Bye.